If your Windows PC is lagging, freezing, or taking forever to boot, you don't need a new computer. You just need to clean out the hidden bloat, slowing it down. In this video, we're skipping the useless settings and jumping straight into the absolute best high-impact tweaks to get your system running fast and smooth. Let's get right into it. First, search for CMD in your Windows bar and select Run as Administrator. Once the window opens, paste a command, which I provided down in the description, and hit Enter. After that, close the window. Then, search for Choose a Power Plan in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on Show Additional Plans and select the Ultimate Performance Plan right there. This completely removes any power restrictions, giving your CPU and hardware absolute maximum speed. Once that's done, you can close it. Next, open CMD as an administrator again. Paste the second command from the description, hit Enter, and let it run. This is a DISM cleanup command, which scans and repairs corrupted Windows system files that are slowing down your PC. Once the process is complete, you can close a window. Next, right-click on the Windows Start icon, click Run, and type in sysdm.cpl and hit Enter. When the window opens, go to the Advanced tab and click Settings under the Performance section. Select Adjust for best performance, but make sure to check two boxes: smooth edges of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons so your window still looks clean. Apply those changes and close it. Now, open PowerShell. Paste the next command from the description and hit Enter to open the Windows Debloater tool. Inside the tool, click Uninstall OneDrive. Then click Disable under Cortana and Disable under Edge PDF. You can also toggle the dark theme option here, depending on your preference. Next, click Unpin Tiles from Start menu. Disable telemetry tasks and remove bloatware reg keys. Finally, you can use the Remove Bloatware or Custom Block List options to precisely strip away the rest of the system background junk. Quick disclaimer: debloating modifies system behaviors, so ensure you don't need any pre-installed Windows apps before running the full wipe. Once the window finishes processing, you can close it right up. Next, open your browser and search for Mem Reduct. Open up the very first website, scroll down, and download the software. Follow the quick setup steps to install and open it. Inside the app, simply click the Clean Memory button. This instantly clears out all the cache background junk clogging up your RAM, freeing up immediate memory for your games and heavy applications. You can close it once it's done. Next, open up your Windows settings and head over to Privacy and Security. Select Windows Security and then click on Open Windows Security. Once the Security dashboard opens up, navigate to the Device Security tab on the left menu and under the Core Isolation section, click on Core Isolation Details. From there, toggle off Memory Integrity. This feature runs aggressive scans on your drivers in the background, which heavily drains your CPU resources and can cause stuttering. Disabling it stops that background stress, instantly freeing up processing power and giving you a noticeable performance boost. Finally, right-click on the Windows Start icon, click Run, type in regedit, and hit Enter. When the Registry editor opens, navigate to HKey Current User, then Control Panel, and click on Desktop. On the right side, Find MenuShowDelay. Double-click it and change its value to 10. This drops your system menu animation delay from the sluggish default down to instant, making your entire UI feel incredibly snappy. Once that's done, restart your computer to apply all the optimizations we've done today. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.